Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Do you know I love peonies and I love hydrangeas. Call me Marie Antoinette, call me an old lady, but I don't care. I just think that they are the most beautiful forms and I love their delicate nature. I love the fragrance, and I also love the size and depths of blue that you get with hydrangeas. Now you can't always get them, and what I love about my collection at Prestige Botanicals is I have them all year round, and it just makes my heart do a wee leap every time I see them. Now, I love them so much and I couldn't find a nice container. So what I did was I found an old terracotta garden pot and I decoupaged it. Have a look at the tutorial. Look at this old worldy loveliness. I just know that Marie Antoinette from heaven is gazing down onto this pot and was probably wishing that I had been around when she was around to do her containers for all her beautiful flowers. Now, a lot of people say to me, but Astar, what do you do if you don't have any foam? Well, have I got you covered. What I have done here is, when I looked into the patterning that I've achieved on the outside, they look like roses and they also have a hint of a little bit of magnolia leaf with them. So, to make your designing much easier, it's always easier to have a huge, big, yummy network foundation of leaves in the middle or in your urn. So what will happen is when you put your flowers in, they've got a structure or a foundation on which to rest. How fantastic is that? The other question I get asked is, Astar, I don't want to cut my artificial blooms. Well, you don't have to, because they've got this wire in their stems and you can bend those up and they will straighten. You've got to be a bit rough here, but they will, well, it will straighten up. I know it will, but you can straighten that. So just by bending that up, that means that I don't have to cut and I can use them again for another arrangement. Now I've got 3 of these, and what I'm going to do is just get into there like so with them bent up, and I'm going to put 3 of these with equal distance around each one down and into my pot. Some are a little bit higher, some are a little bit lower. So and it's like Pythagoras' theorem, but I'm not going to get into that. But you know, it's sort of like this lovely spiral that will come up. And this design, because I've got all of these lovely fat flowers down there, I want the whole design to be a beautiful piece of floral art in my lounge. It's going to look gorgeous. Okay, now the other thing is I've tried to select through the collection. We've got a huge collection of peonies now at Prestige Botanicals. So I've picked up as many of the different colourways as we have into the base of the colourings of the pot. I didn't have anything that looked like this, but I did have the blue hydrangea, and I do quite like that blue hydrangea. Right now with these, it's just a matter of going around, because you've got that lovely structure, just putting these down and into your arrangement in amongst the leaves, and they all hold and will look beautiful. I've got 2 of those, so I'm just going to bring that one down there, and this is to be viewed from all round. So I've got one on that side, and I'm just going to bring one over and down to there. Some can be a little bit lower, some can be a little bit higher. If you want to, you can get in there and get that little bud and having that pointing down so that it's sort of going over the placements, over the rim of your container. Love these. These are gorgeous. Just going to bring one into there. Now mine have still got the tags on, and the reason I've got the tags on mine is because I keep forgetting what the numbers are, and when somebody asks me because you know that you can direct message me through Instagram, and that's Astar's Place Instagram, and I have been getting lots of requests down here in my studio for people all around the world wanting advice with their designs, and you know what? I love doing it. It's just fabulous. Okay, that can go up to there. That one can go over to there. I love this blush pink. You might just have to like have a wee fiddle around until you get it into there. Now, nothing is to be perfect, because nothing in life is perfect, and I wanted this to just look like a big peony garden. I've got these 2, so I'm going to bring that down and over to there, and this one can go around and down into there. Look at that. Do I like that there? Yes, I do. I'll just pull that down a wee bit, push that into there just a wee bit more. Look at that. How fabulous is that? I might just have to have a wee fiddle around. But look at that. Yummy. Mary Antoinette, I hope you're looking down at me from heaven saying, oh, she's done a good job with those, because I just love the roundness of it. Don't forget, when you're buying these, don't forget to hit the Astar 15 to get yourself a 15% discount. See you again another day.